Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the latest cabinet wash basin design ideas for 2024. So friends, since the bathroom is one of the most important space of the entire house, it's need to be comfortable as possible. It's further required to offer to the overall aesthetically pleasing look as well to important and positivity enter the space. And for this purpose, essential to install good quality wash basins in your bathroom and living room. Adding tabletop wash basins full of pedestal wash basins is further the style statement and luxurious touch to add your bathroom space to make elegance and enhance. It's beautiful. Some of the most common types of wash basin designs available in the market. Countertop wash basins is this air motion and sophistication approach towards and wash basin designed to added be installed in your bathroom or living room. This air modern and sophistication approach towards wash basin designed to be installed in your bathroom. It's further added touch of elegance and center of attention to your bathroom space. Additionally, it's great fit to be installed small size bathroom and available ceramic glass and granite options. Having design space bathroom sink will further help to have organized bathroom which will reflect appearance and make more appealing and comfortable. And you can install your bathroom, availability of size, your bathroom and your preference and design style. Additionally, you can pick the wash basin to go for style and make your bathroom space appear way to go wash. And new designs available in the wash basins are pedestal wash basins. New designs available in wash basins are pedestal wash basins, rameless wash basins, over counter, and tabletop wash basins. The best wash basin in your bathroom is one of that fit you are perfectly in the available bathroom space and does not feel cluttered in the bathroom. While selecting sanitary wear conditions, while selecting sanitary wear condition that quality, durability, reliability of the brand and finish the sanitary wear and of the size of sanitary wear. And third one is the insert basins, as the name suggests, there is attached or mounted on the countertop, allowing to have free space in the bathroom after installing this. There is also regret has vanity basins, as these are installed as per your bathroom vanity unit. And the fourth one is the full pedestal basins. This is one of the most popular and commonly found the wash basin design to be found in any bathroom space. The floor mounted full pedestal can be hide the pipework and behind the offer to the neat look the outside. And furthermore, pedestal works has support to the bathroom sink mounted on the top. Explore fusion full pedestal wash basins. And next one is the semi-pedestal basins. These basins have semi-pedestal and the pedestal does not touch to your ground. There are wall-mounted basins has full and off pedestal installed under them for extra support and pedestal further used to the hide plumbing and wash basins installed as well. These are again the great choice to be added small space for bathrooms to space below pedestal can furthermore utilize added storage cabinet. This further make the bathroom appear organized and add a touch of your house. And next one is corner basins. Corner basins are great addition to the small bathrooms where you cannot install full wash basin. They are mounted in the wall, one side or corner, which get support from the two walls. These are usually installed to behind the door for console the look to make bathroom appear organized without taking up too much space. And next one is cloakroom basins. A cloakroom basins are further great addition to small bathroom space or referred to the cloakroom. These wash basins have a smaller footprint and save enough space in the bathroom to make appear elegant and organized. Wall mounted or hanging wash basins is often one of the key assets to be installed and overall appearance of the bathroom space. They also offer your bathrooms one additional space. The bathroom sink to be utilized this hanging wash basins a smart option and be installed to elevate your bathroom space while adding into modern wash basin designs. And second one is the countertop wash basin. These are modern and sophistication approach towards this wash basin designed to be installed in your bathroom or outside your living room. To designs to be installed your bathroom further add a touch of elegance and center of attention your bathroom space and living room. Additionally, it's great fit to be installed in small size bathrooms and available in ceramic, glass and granite options. And second one is done. Since the bathrooms is one of the most important space of entire house, it's need to be as comfortable as possible. It is further required to offer the overall aesthetically pleasing look. And as well it's important and positivity entire space. For this purpose, it's essential install good quality wash basins in your house. Adding tabletop wash basin is full of pedestal wash basin is for the style statement or luxurious touch.